Have you ever spent days waiting on a creator to turn a simple talk into a handful of short clips, only to get back polished but lifeless footage that just doesn't land? You know the drill. Wrong hooks, weird pacing, captions that completely miss the point, and then you have to pay for revisions, wait even longer, or eventually just scrap it and start over. I've been there myself, and I know exactly how much that drains your time, your hard-earned cash, and your team's creative momentum. So I started testing a totally different workflow for turning long videos into scroll-stopping short clips. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through that exact process. We are going to look at how to crank out native TikTok content fast, with the AI tool Vizard doing all the heavy lifting for us. What's up everyone, I'm your host and I help creators and brands cut out the busy work so you can publish more, iterate faster, and actually learn what content works without burning your entire budget. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to take one single long video and turn it into tons of TikTok-style clips, schedule them automatically, and keep everything organized so you can scale without the chaos. First, we need a quick reality check. Editing for TikTok is honestly not the same thing as making a long-form YouTube video or a highly polished Instagram reel. TikTok is incredibly fast, it's swipey, and it heavily favors content that feels native, meaning it shouldn't look like an obvious ad. People come to TikTok to watch genuine reactions, quick stories, hot takes, and short demos that get straight to the point. That means the best approach isn't one singular, perfect, polished edit, but rather many small experiments involving different hooks, endings, and caption styles. If you're still outsourcing every single clip to human editors or coordinating a team of creators, you will eventually hit a hard, expensive ceiling. You find an editor, explain the vision, wait a week, and then get 1 or 2 cuts back that might still need tweaks. Do you want 10 variations? That's 10 rounds of back and forth communication that just drains your energy. It gets expensive fast, and trends shift weekly, sometimes even daily. Meaning by the time you finally ship the version you loved, the trend is already dead. So I flipped the script entirely, moving to a non-linear workflow where the cost of testing more ideas barely moves the needle on my budget. That is exactly where AI editing and automation tools like Vizard come into the picture to save the day. Let's look at the exact workflow I use. No fluff, just the steps I run when I want to turn one long video into 20+ native short clips in a single afternoon. Step 1 is to upload your long-form content, which can be anything from a podcast episode or a product demo to a 40-minute YouTube upload. You simply drop the file into Vizard or paste the video URL and let the tool do the heavy lifting of analyzing the footage for you. Vizard automatically scans for highlights, pauses, energy shifts, and moments with people talking directly to the camera. Basically all the parts TikTok users love. Step 2 is where it generates viral clips for you, identifying the highest impact moments and creating ready-to-post short videos. You aren't stuck with the first draft. You can preview dozens of AI-picked moments in seconds to find the best gems. Each clip is already framed perfectly for vertical viewing, has professional audio leveling, and includes automatic subtitles to make it feed-ready. Step 3 is about tweaking hooks and captions fast, which is where you really save time and money. Instead of resending a clip to an editor, you can quickly swap hooks, crop points, or replace text overlays right inside the tool. Want 5 different openers to test? Just duplicate the clip, change the first 3 seconds, and you're done. Step 4 is to schedule and publish everything automatically so you can set it and forget it. Tell Vizard how often you want to post and it'll queue them up, meaning you can batch create on a Friday and have content ready for the whole month. Step 5 is managing everything in one place so you can move posts, swap thumbnails, and see your schedule at a glance. There are 3 main reasons this workflow wins: speed, volume, and data-driven learning. When you turn one video into 20 clips in an afternoon, you can test hooks while the trend is hot, which gives you way more chances to find a winner. And if you're sending dozens of clips, you stop guessing and start learning exactly what resonates with your specific audience. For example, I once took a 30-minute product demo and, within 20 minutes, had 12 vertical clips ready to schedule over 2 weeks. One of those clips was a short hook about not buying single-use bottles, and it ended up blowing up and driving massive traffic. Some people say AI edits look robotic, but honestly, modern tools are smart about pacing and emotional beats now. You just need to add that human touch. tweak the captions, or adjust the start time to make it truly yours. You might worry about losing authenticity, but remember, the long-form content you already have contains hundreds of authentic moments waiting to be found. Pro editors are great for hero content, but for daily social testing, speed and volume are what actually build long-term momentum. Before we wrap, remember my checklist: a fast hook, a clear problem, a simple benefit, some social framing, and a direct call to action. Don't overproduce these. Keep them native, keep them simple, and let the message do the heavy lifting for you. Vizard is unique because it sits in the middle. It handles automated clip discovery, scheduling, and a calendar in one interface. A creator collective I worked with switched to this flow and went from zero consistent output to releasing 80+ clips a month. They finally had the data to guide their creative choices instead of just guessing what might work. Start with your best long videos, batch your time, and treat every duplicated moment with a different hook as a separate experiment. If you are still waiting on slow editors to feed your pipeline, you are just playing catch-up while everyone else sprints. This tool isn't a magic wand, but it removes the mechanical bottleneck so you can focus on the fun parts: testing, refining, and winning. Try it out on just one long video this week. Generate those clips, schedule them, and I promise you'll be surprised at how quickly the results show up. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this was helpful, go try it on one video and let me know what you find in the comments. I'll catch you all in the next one.